So hello my dear Kryptonites. In order to claim your invites rewards, you still have to do it manually in LBRY. So the way to do that is to go to your little icon of your account and you choose invites. And then you will see the history of all your invites and you will see a button on the upper right where it's written claim your XYZ credit invite rewards. So you click on it and then you will go on the upper right on your wallet, and in your wallet you will search for a payment type and the details named invites. You will find them as the last transaction. So I hope it helped you, because otherwise they stay in a bubble somewhere in the space, in the ether, and you never get them. So I hope it helped you. I wish you the best and see you next time.